Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Distinguished viewers and listeners, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi. Today I am going to discuss how one of the most fatal and disastrous diseases like cancer can be successfully treated using prophetic chemotherapy. Thymoquinone from black seed is the prophetic chemo for cancer. Thymoquinone from Nigella sativa is known as the prophetic chemo for the treatment of cancer. This chemo drug is approved by Prophet Muhammad as a very effective divine cure, and modern scientists support it. Thousands of research studies have been conducted around the world on this chemo drug. Prophetic chemo is a potent bioactive compound present in black seed, about which Prophet Muhammad made an amazing statement. The drug has no side effects whatsoever, but yet it is unapproved by FDA and WHO, World Health Organization. The reason is best known to them. This is the chemical structure of the chemo drug approved by Prophet Muhammad ﷺ. It can easily be isolated from Nigella sativa seed, that is black seed or black cumin, using simple extraction procedure. Please note the two authentic statements. The first prophetic statement indicates that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has already created remedies for every disease. Therefore, since cancer is a disease, although disastrous and fatal, it is curable. From the second hadith, we come to know that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala already created a remedy for cancer. It is now up to the scientists and researchers to discover or to identify the appropriate remedy. According to modern medical science, cancer is not fully curable. But according to Prophet Muhammad ﷺ, cancer is curable. Because for every disease Allah has created, He has also created a suitable remedy. And He creates the remedies first before the disease. The fundamental principle of healing with the medicine of the Prophet ﷺ is that every sickness has a cure. The hadith of Sahih Muslim narrated by Jabir ibn Abdullah radiallahu ta'ala anhu indicates that if the disease is correctly identified and proper medicine is prescribed and dispensed, the disease will be healed by the will of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So it is the responsibility of scientists and researchers to look for appropriate remedies free from side effects for healing. This amazing statement generated tremendous interest among the world's scientific community. The scientists' concern was how an unlettered man of the desert without any pen and paper or computer could make such a wonderful statement on medical science. The Prophet ﷺ did not have to carry out any laboratory research to make this statement. Moreover, the Prophet ﷺ made this statement at a time when there was no chemistry, no medicine, no pharmacy, even no advancement of modern medical science. The statement finally led the global scientific community to carry out extensive phytochemical, pharmacological, microbiological, and toxicological investigations on Nigella sativa seed and its oil. However, the researchers, after having carried out thousands of scientific researches around the globe, finally came to the conclusion that this tiny plant seed can effectively cure 129 different types of ailments, including 17 types of cancers, diabetes, AIDS, and hypertension. This large number of diseases curable by Nigella sativa demonstrate the authenticity of the Prophet's statement made 14th centuries ago, which says black seed is a remedy for all diseases except death. Although there were more than 400 herbs in use before Prophet Muhammad ﷺ and recorded in the herbals of Galen and Hippocrates, black seed was not one of the most popular remedies of that time. Since black seed is now considered a remedy of the Prophet ﷺ, its usage and popularity have increased significantly. From a quick search in the internet, it is estimated that as of now, the number of scientific laboratory researches so far done on these blessed seeds, thymoquinone, and its oil in various countries of the world has gone up to nearly 1 million. I repeat, from a quick search in the internet, it is estimated that as of now, the number of scientific laboratory researches so far done on this blessed seed, its oil, and the isolated bioactive compound thymoquinone in various countries of the world has gone up to nearly 1 million. This is not an exaggeration. Every day, more and more research information are being added to various research data banks. If one searches the research titles on Nigella sativa oil, thymoquinone, black seed, black cumin, black seed oil in all the scientific journals published in various countries of the world from 1901 to 2019, he will be able to verify the truth. Recently, an international website, ResearchGate, has published information on 135 million research publication pages and 17 million research scientists. This is a picture I have taken from the internet. Arshad H. Rahmani and his research team designed the picture. From this picture, one can understand the varieties of diseases curable by black seeds. According to one of my articles published in the Open Access Net Journal in 2016, black seed can cure 129 different types of diseases, including 17 types of cancer. The diagram also shows that if the diseases are not eventually cured, ultimately the patient will meet the death. This slide is inviting the global scientists and researchers to start thinking, to start conducting clinical trials without any delay. The world is witnessing difficult times. The race against time in finding a vaccine for novel coronavirus COVID-19 is getting more challenging with every single day. Numerous papers with their initial research findings on the pathophysiology of COVID-19 infection have given some clues to invent a cure to this pandemic. Dr. Shakil Moideen, an oral maxillofacial pathologist at the Al Rask Dental College, Qasim University, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, very recently reported that thymoquinone, that is prophetic chemotherapy, through immunomodulation and its other health benefits can be definitely considered to be a drug to prevent or to treat the viral infection caused by COVID-19. The miracle seed has been used by millions of people to treat various ailments for centuries in different parts of the world, especially in Mediterranean, Middle East, India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, and also in Europe. In fact, Prophet ﷺ made specific statements on 61 medicinal plants, herbs and shrubs while making prescriptions for the sick people, out of which Nigella sativa is the most important. Many doctors of natural medicine assured that Nigella sativa can be used as to promote health. Indeed, this tiny plant seed is the gift of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to the mankind. People of different civilizations and cultures have used it for a variety of benefits since time immemorial. The knowledge of the benefits of black seed oil is transferring from generation to generation since ancient times. People in the Far and the Middle East and North Africa are using it throughout life to get the full beneficial effects of this wonderful seed. They are using it not only internally but also externally. From the next several slides I have discussed, I come to know that Professor Muhammad Ramsi, Professor G. Reitmuller, Dr. Ahmad El-Kadi, Dr. Usama Kandil, Dr. Gary Null, Dr. Michael Tiara, W.C. Jorija, Professor Z. Professor Peter Schleicher and Dr. M. Saleh are some of the great world-class scientists of the present age. Their research findings are highly recognized around the globe and they are highly revered in the scientific arena. These scientists have made great original contributions on the chemistry and pharmacology of black seed or Nigella sativa, its oil, and the isolated bioactive compound thymoquinone, as well as their efficacy in curing human ailments. Their findings fully support the authenticity of the Prophet's statements made 14 centuries ago. Dr. Ahmad El-Kadi and Dr. Usama Kandil in 1986 report that Nigella sativa has the ability to strengthen and stabilize the body's immune system. Dr. Gary Null states that every time you take black cumin, you are stimulating your immune system to fight on your behalf and increase natural killer cells. Black seed contains over 100 healing components which work together to produce a synergistic effect. Research has shown that this complex interaction of these components gives black seed tremendous synergistic power to support the immune system and strengthen the body's constitution in a way no single substance has ever been known to accomplish. The principal bioactive compound is thymoquinone, which is named as prophetic chemo, which together with other natural compounds produce a tremendous effect that the researchers were very surprised to discover. Nigella sativa is one of the oldest spices used by people, possibly because of the wonderful healing quality of the seed, substantiated by large number of researches done. Learned Professor Peter Schleicher, MD, from Germany, made this marvelous statement. He revealed that the effectiveness of this seed in curing human ailments is magical. This picture indicates that Nigella sativa shows a vital effect in the prevention of cancer through upregulation of tumor suppressor gene and inhibition of VEGF, AKT, and P13K pathways. The diagram also outlines the role of thymoquinone in the process of healing, that is, prevention, treatment, and cure of cancer. All the published books testify to the fact that Nigella sativa seed is highly effective and beneficial for human health. It is really a magical herb of the century. Each page of the chapter of the book Nutrition, Diet and Cancer is full of research references on the pharmacological effects of thymoquinone as anti-cancer drug. The learned viewers are requested to have a glimpse of the pages. Recent researches carried out on Nigella sativa in various countries reveal that thymoquinone, known as prophetic chemo, possesses 51 pharmacological effects, some of which are shown in the next two slides. Black seed is antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, antihistaminic. It is antioxidant, antibiotic, antibiotic, and bronchodilating. It is antispasmodic, anti-inflammatory, and analgesic. It is antioxidant, toxins cleansing, immune regulating. It inhibits inflammation, strengthens the human immune system. It is anticarcinogenic, cytomegalovirus. It reduces blood sugar levels. It is antibiotic and fungostatic. It is an immune system bioregulator. It has antivirus substance and natural killer cells. Black seed treats cancer tumors. It stimulates bone marrow and immune cells. It raises the interferon production. It protects normal cells against cell-destroying effects of virus. It destroys tumor cells and raises the number of antibodies producing B cells. It completely inhibits development of cancer cells in mice. Although the anti-cancer activity of Nigella sativa was recognized thousands of years ago, it was not until the past 3 or 4 decades that modern scientific research has been undertaken massively to study this important traditional medicine. In 2017, I presented a paper on the efficacy of prophetic chemo in curing 17 types of cancer at the International Conference on Cancer Biology and Drug Delivery held on September 18 to 19, 2007 in Philadelphia, USA. The paper was published in the Journal of Cancer Science and Therapy 2017, Volume 9, Issue 7. In 2018, myself and Dr. Dina A.S. Hussain, a professor of biochemistry of Shohid Mansoor Ali Medical College, Uttara Dhaka, jointly wrote an article titled "Prophetic Chemo is the safest, cheapest and most effective alternative to modern chemotherapy for the cure of all forms of cancer." This article too was published in the Open Access Journal of Cancer Science and Therapy in Volume 10, Issue 5. Researchers at the Department of Biochemistry, School of Biological Science and Technology, Central South University, Hunan, China, and Department of Biochemistry and Molecular Biology, Philadelphia College of Osteopathic Medicine, Pennsylvania, USA, confirmed that black cumin possesses anti-cancer activity. In 2 separate 2011 studies, Chinese and Saudi Arabian researchers reviewed the scientific literatures for the use of black seed oil in treating cancer. They reconfirmed the anti-cancer property of this safe and natural seed oil. The researchers concluded that the oil and prophetic chemo is safe and effective agent against cancer in the bloodstream, lungs, kidneys, liver, prostate, breast, cervix, and skin. Most of the researchers on this slide documented that prophetic chemo, that is thymoquinone, the major bioactive compound of Nigella sativa, is considered as potent antioxidant, anti-tumor, anti-carcinogenic, and anti-mutagenic agent. Moreover, thymoquinone is a relatively safe compound, particularly when given orally to experimental animals. Much of the biological activities of the seeds have been shown to be due to thymoquinone, which is present in the fixed oil. The research team reported that oral administration of prophetic chemo, that is thymoquinone, is effective in increasing the activities of quinone reductase and glutathione transferase, and makes thymoquinone a promising prophylactic agent against chemical carcinogenesis and toxicity in hepatic cancer. Doxorubicin is the mainstay of cancer chemotherapy despite its clinical limitations that arise from its cardiotoxicity and the high incidence of multi-drug resistance. In 2011, German researchers investigated the influence of thymoquinone on various other effects exerted by doxorubicin in human cancer cells. The studies revealed a protective effect of thymoquinone against doxorubicin-induced cardiotoxicity. The researcher concluded that thymoquinone is a booster for anti-cancer effect of the chemotherapy agent doxorubicin in cancer cell lines. Researchers showed that alpha-hederine, a pentacyclic triterpene saponin isolated from the seeds of Nigella sativa, was reported to have potent in vitro anti-tumor activity. Researchers believe thymoquinone holds promise as a preventive strategy both for patients who have already gone through surgery and chemotherapy, as well as a promising preventive measure, especially for those genetically prone. On February 26, 2014, Catherine Anderson, National Director of Naturopathic Medicine for CTCA, reported that there is a growing evidence that black cumin and its volatile oil may have anti-cancer properties. Studies conducted by Anderson revealed that the seed's active ingredients, particularly thymoquinone, may reduce the growth and size of tumors in rats. Using an active principle of fatty acids derived from black seed, studies with Swiss albino mice showed that this active principle could completely inhibit the development of common types of cancer cells called Ehrlich ascites carcinoma ESC. A second common type of cancer cells, Dalton's lymphoma ascites DLA, were also used. Mice which had ESC cells and received black cumin remained normal without any tumor formation. This illustrates that the active principle was 100% effective in preventing ESC tumor development. A study published in Oncology Letters in 2010 found that 2 daily doses of crude extra virgin black seed oil inhibited the growth of cancer tumors in the colon, lungs, esophagus, and stomach in rats. The study concluded that black seed oil has carcinopreventive and chemopreventive potential, which means that it could possibly be used to prevent cancer and lessen the need for chemotherapy in the early stages of cancer. In other words, black seed can serve as a preventive remedy for the growth of cancer. It means if someone regularly takes black seed, he will not have cancer. Egyptian researchers studied the protective effects of bee honey and Nigella sativa grains on the oxidative stress and the cancer created by exposing rats to a strong carcinogen. After the 4 groups of rats were exposed to the carcinogen, some groups were fed black seeds or honey, and one group was fed both black seeds and honey. The rats were evaluated after 6 months. The rats that ate black seeds received 80% protection against oxidative stress and cancer formation, whereas the rats that ate a daily dose of both honey and black seeds were protected 100% against oxidative stress, inflammatory responses, and cancer formation. Patients with pancreatic cancer has the lowest chance of survival due to the reason it is not detected in the most cases until it has reached stage 3 and stage 4. The overall survival rate is 4.6% only. On the basis of this finding, there are many studies showing that Nigella sativa has been successful in killing pancreatic cancer cells in 82% of the cases, which is a huge finding. Researchers of the present study reported that components from black seeds enhanced chemosensitivity of pancreatic cancer cells. A study conducted at Kimmel Cancer Center at Thomas Jefferson University, Philadelphia, revealed that Nigella sativa, that is black cumin, destroyed pancreatic cells with an incredible 80% cancer tumor cell death, which is wonderful success. The study also showed to stop gene transcription process so cancer cells cannot replicate. Dr. Haida Arafat at the Kimmel Cancer Center at Thomas Jefferson University, USA, conducted several studies using Nigella sativa to treat pancreatic cancer cells. The results were astounding, with an 80% cancer tumor cell death. It also showed to stop gene transcription process so cancer cells cannot replicate. Dr. Arafat went on to say, Nigella sativa helps treat a broad array of diseases, including some immune and inflammatory disorders. Chehl and his team showed that thymoquinone, the major constituent of Nigella sativa oil extract, induced apoptosis and inhibited proliferation in PDA, that is pancreatic ductal adenocarcinoma cells. Pancreatic ductal adenocarcinoma cells. They also suggested thymoquinone as a novel inhibitor of pro-inflammatory pathways, which provides a promising strategy that combines anti-inflammatory and pro-apoptotic modes of action. Banerjee and his group said that thymoquinone also can abrogate gemcitabine or oxaliplatin induced activation of NF-kappa B, resulting in the chemosensitization of pancreatic tumors to conventional therapeutics. One of the largest experimental studies so far proved that Nigella sativa oil had enormous success in tumor therapy without the negative side effects of common chemotherapy. which is very fantastic finding. Researchers found that it increased the growth rate of bone marrow cells by a staggering 250%, and it inhibited tumor growth by 50%. It stimulated immune cells and raised the interferon production, which protects cells from the cell-destroying effect of viruses. The researchers suggested that thymoquinone is effective in treating hormone-sensitive as well as hormone-refractory prostate cancer. Ye and his team found that thymoquinone blocked angiogenesis in vitro and in vivo, prevented tumor angiogenesis in xenograft human prostate cancer PC3 model in mouse, and inhibited human prostate tumor growth at low doses with almost no chemotoxic side effects. On the basis of this information, the research team investigated the mechanism of action of thymoquinone in androgen receptor AR independent C4-2b and AR naive PC3 prostate cancer cells as models of aggressive prostate cancer. The results of the study, in concert with previous publications, showed that treatment with thymoquinone induced growth inhibition in the prostate cancer cell lines. The data showed that treatment with 100 mole per liter of thymoquinone resulted in significant upregulation of ROS expression in both PC3 and C4-2b cells. These investigators confirmed that thymoquinone induced oxidative stress and is responsible for its anti-proliferative effects in prostate cancer cells. The investigators postulated that the active component thymoquinone and possibly the oil itself can be used effectively either alone or as an adjunct to chemotherapy to target highly aggressive prostate cancer. Dr. Debashish Mandal, who was a part of the research team, said that complementary and alternative medicine CAM is becoming very important as an adjunct therapy in cancer patients. I repeat, Dr. Debashish Mandal, who was a part of the research team, said that complementary and alternative medicine CAM is becoming very important as an adjunct therapy in cancer patients, both to ameliorate the side effects of chemotherapy as well as to enhance their anti-tumor effects. The scientists here concluded that prophetic chemo drug thymoquinone stops tumor growth in humans and claim it has potential as a drug for cancer therapy. A study published in the online journals PLOS One indicates that thymoquinone from black seed can induce cell death in glioblastoma cells. Glioblastoma is one of the most aggressive brain tumors of all. The study reveals that thymoquinone from Nigella sativa kills highly aggressive glioblastoma brain cancer cells and protect brain tissue from radiation damage. Researchers from Ohio State University published a study in 2013 indicating that glioblastoma is the most aggressive and common type of malignant brain tumor in humans. With a median survival of 15 months, they found that thymoquinone has antioxidant, anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer action, and that it exhibits potent tumor killing action. In fact, black cumin seed oil and its compound thymoquinone have been a powerful weapon for centuries. Prophetic chemo has selective cytotoxic properties for human cells, which means that it kills human cancer cells while not being harmful to the normal healthy cells. My dear respected viewers and listeners, thank you very much for your kind attention. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.